This assessment asks us to compare two different ways that we draw the enantiomer of molecules. The first is just to draw the mirror image. So we've drawn the mirror image, it's non-superimposable. This is its enantiomer. The other thing we might do to draw an enantiomer is take every dashed bond and make it a wedged bond. So this hydroxyl group is coming back into the screen, into the plane of the page. If we just flip it or invert it, put it on a bold wedge, it would now be coming towards you. This assessment asks us to do both. What happens if we do both? Draw the mirror image and then take that molecule and invert the stereocenter. Well, if we did that, we would get a molecule that looks like this. What's the relationship between these two molecules? Well, if the stereocenter is inverted, these two molecules are enantiomers, or these two representations are enantiomers. As a non-superimposable mirror image, we already know that these two are enantiomers. What's the relationship between this compound and the original? Well, let's imagine taking that compound up out of the plane of the page and flipping it. And if we do that, what we get is this molecule here. And so the relationship between these two molecules is that they are identical. The take-home message, if we're using either of these two methods to draw the enantiomer, only use one. Draw the mirror image or turn the dashed bond to wedge bonds, but don't do both.